All right, so I just thought about this as I'm opening this, since this is a piece of history. This is a Igloo Kool Rest from 1983 that I just found on eBay. It's never been opened. I literally just did that, so I figured I'd do an unboxing video since this is sort of a piece of history. Kind of cool that it's just been boxed up since '83. I don't know why someone would have left this in the box, but this should be a near perfect condition example. I'm gonna try to get this out with one hand. So just like it would have been in 1983, this is, I bought this to go in my 85 C10 just because I think it's cool. It's period correct, and a lot of them I saw on eBay were cracked along this edge. This one is perfect, and it may actually be from 1980 based on that timestamp. I'm assuming that's December of 1980. I doubt that my full 3-year warranty is still in effect. Also, things must have been a lot different in the 80s. Holds 1 6-pack plus ice, so I guess they promoting drinking and driving. I got this one, and I'll show you in a bit, to match the interior as close as I could in my Squarebody. As you can see, it comes in blue, tan, red, and black. My interior is mahogany or burgundy, basically. Not really my preference, but the truck's original, so it's what I got. And now I'm seeing, didn't notice this before, 11/25/1980. So it's pretty cool. It's a pretty cool find. All right, so this is my 85 GMC Sierra Classic. Got the console in here now, which looks right at home. So gives you a place to put your drinks. I don't know about a 6-pack, but I can get some old Leonard Skinner tapes in there. Pretty cool 85 GMC and a 1980 Igloo that's basically brand new, so it's a pretty cool addition for the truck.